Welcome to AppStarPress. In this video, I will show you how to see or hide Minecraft logs in CurseForge app. Right now, if we launch the game using CurseForge, we see the logs. Now these are the logs. If you want to hide these, close dashboard, quit game, go to CurseForge app setting by clicking gear icon at the bottom left, select the game Minecraft. Under this section, game dashboard setting, turn this option off. Automatically open the game dashboard on the game launch. Game dashboard contains logs and other cool information about the game. Turn it off. If you now launch the game, there will be no logs. And if the logs are already hidden and you wanted to show the logs, turn on this exact setting. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.